What's up guys? Today I'll be installing a Garmin dash cam using Dongar Technologies adapter on a 2022 Chrysler 300S. So let's get in the car and just get started. What we have here is a fairly simple assembly with two separate panels. We'll need to get this guy off first. There we go. And then we'll get the second part off. So here's some behind the scenes footage on how to get the plastic shroud off. I have it sitting here with this orientation. You can see here it's where the rearview mirror comes out of. We'll get this part off first. You have 4 tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use a tool like this or something like this or anything really that could slide into this gap. Now if I flip this thing around, you can see how things are fastened in place. Okay, now let me get these off. Okay, here we go. Here's another close-up of the tabs and the assembly itself. As to how to get the second panel off, check this out. It's actually held up by these 2 tabs here. If we're looking right at it, you can see again, this one's actually quite simple. You'll be able to push it to the left and pull down and get it off on one side before pushing it back to the right and taking the entire thing off completely. Be patient, this can get a little annoying, so I'm really hoping this sheds some light on the unknown. Alright, so here I have my Dongar Technologies box. It's a 10-pin adapter for Dodge and Ram vehicles. This clearly works on a Chrysler itself, which is why I'm making this video, so yeah. Here's the adapter itself, and again, this is a 2022 Chrysler 300S. The adapter is located on the back, so let's unclip that. It's a little difficult with one hand, so okay, so we can see here that this matches up with the 10-pin from Dongar Technologies. Here I have the connector inserted into the female end of the Dongar adapter. And I'll insert this end into the rearview mirror itself. Again, here's the adapter, and I'm going to insert it here, and we'll see how it works. Let me turn on the power to the car, and voila, we get the infamous blue light. Got my Garmin. It's a USB powered dash cam. I'll need to insert this into the USB dongle on the Dongar Technologies adapter. As you can see, we're getting power to the dash cam. Let's try turning the car on and off and see how the dash cam behaves. Works perfectly. Alright, I'm going to pop this thing up right here and we're done. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate you smashing that like button and consider subscribing if you're into car or motorcycle content. And with that said, take care and drive safe, y'all. Peace.